Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making bell peppers stuffed with Spanish rice, chicken, and sausage. So the first thing I'm going to do is start by sauteing my chicken and my sausage. Once my chicken is halfway done, I'm going to turn it over, and then I'm going to add in my chopped veggies. So I just took my chicken out just so I could finish cooking my sausage a little bit more. Now I'm going to add 1 can. This is 10 ounces of diced tomatoes with habanero. And I'm just going to stir that up, and then I'm going to put my chicken back in here. Now to this, I'm going to add my 1 box of Zatarain's Spanish rice. Now that my rice is fully incorporated, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. The box says 1.5, but I'm using 2 just so I can make sure I have enough cooking liquid. Then I'm going to bring this to a boil and cover it and let it cook until the rice is tender. So now my rice is done, and I'm going to stir in a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Then I'm going to let this cool down just a little bit before I put it into my peppers. Now I want my bell peppers kind of tender once I put them in the oven to bake, so I'm just going to blanch them for a couple minutes, probably like 2 minutes, in some boiling hot water just to soften them up a little bit, because we eating this whole pepper, not just the filling. So I'm just going to put this in some hot water and let it get a little soft, and then I'm going to take it out. Ooh, this smells so good, y'all. I wish y'all was here to smell it. Best believe it tastes even better. So now it's time to stuff these bell peppers. And the first thing I'm going to do is start by putting my filling into my pepper. Gonna do is top these off with a little bit of cheese just to make it look nice and pretty, and then I'm gonna bake it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. Now the peppers are done. This is what they look like fresh out of the oven. I'm just gonna plate them up, garnish with a little cilantro, and that is it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.